Hey guys, so today's video is a little different for me. This is a how to treat your Vachetta Leather on your Louis Vuitton bag. Now this is my mom's bag, that's why the initials are MB, and she got this bag for Christmas and she just wants to make sure she treats the leather before she, takes it outside or gets it wet or anything like that. This is totally optional. You do not need to treat your leather. So she did her research, and one of the best reviewed brands was the Apple brand Garde Rain and Stain Repellent. So what this is going to do is basically waterproof the bag and help it from aging or getting watermarks or water stains when you bring it outside and it's raining, obviously. This is about $8 to $9. I would recommend getting two because after doing the bag and the strap, we actually ran out. Before we got started, we just took some paper towels and did like a weird, awkward tape job to protect the bag as much as possible. Now the spray is not going to harm the bag at all, but it's just better to not get the spray all over the actual bag itself. Try to concentrate most of the spraying on the leather. Also, that way you're not wasting product as well. Plus, there's like no right or wrong way to make this little paper towel contraption. We literally just made it up as we went along. After shaking the can really well, I'm just going to get started. So what I'm going to try and do is just go in like even strokes. You want to hold it about, I think it said like 6 to 8 inches away from the bag. Make sure that when you're spraying, the leather is fully saturated. You'll see that it's turning a darker yellow when it gets wet. Now it's really important to make sure you're spraying the entire thing. If you leave any spots or you miss anything, you will see aging or like watermarks in those areas. After the product dries, it will not be this dark yellow. So the dark yellow really just helps you kind of see like where you've sprayed and haven't sprayed. So again, just make sure it's super saturated. Once you're done with the main handles, you want to move on to the rest of the bag. Now, because of the distance that you have to hold the spray from the bag, it's kind of hard to avoid making a mess. So there is no paper towel guard that's really going to help you here. But make sure you're spraying the big strip down the center and then the leather all around the outside as well. If your bag comes with a baudelier or a strap, you want to make sure you're saturating that as well. Even if it's not the main way that you're going to be carrying your bag, you don't want to change your mind down the road and then possibly get watermarks or stains. Now, when you're doing this strap, make sure you're lifting up in the appropriate places so you're getting all areas of the strap. Again, it's really important to make sure you're saturating the entire thing so you don't have any weird, funky discoloration marks or like patchiness on your bag. So you want to make sure that you're doing 2 coats of this spray. The can says to wait 30 minutes. We actually ran to the mall in between, so we waited about 2 hours. You're literally just going to do the exact same thing that you did. The first thing I did was spray the handles, and after I'm just taking off the paper towel and I'm going on and spraying the sides of the bag. After I spray the sides of the bag, I'm going to go back and then spray the strap again as well. Now, if we were just spraying the bag alone, you would not need a second can of spray, but because we were doing the strap too, we ran out of spray just at the end, so that's why I suggested using 2 cans. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leave a quick comment below. Honestly, the thumbs up and a comment really does help my video and my page out a lot, and it takes you 2 seconds to do so, so I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and as always, stay tuned for more videos.